Do you ever feel stuck in the same painful relationship patterns? The arguments, the silence, the feeling of being misunderstood? What if healing your relationships didn't start with them, but with you? There's an ancient Hawaiian practice called Ho'oponopono, and it transforms your inner world to create outer harmony. There's a true story about psychologist Dr. Hugh Len. He worked in a ward of violent patients, but instead of speaking to them, he sat in his office, read their files, and repeated 4 phrases. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. He healed himself, and the entire ward changed. Patients calmed, staff felt peace, and the ward eventually closed. Ho'oponopono means taking responsibility for what lives inside you. Not blame, but inner cleansing. Take a breath. Close your eyes. Think of someone you're struggling with. Feel the emotion within you. Now repeat with me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. This is how healing begins. Call to action. If this touched your heart, hit like, share it with someone who needs peace, and subscribe for more healing content. And if you want a deeper experience, download my free 15-minute guided Ho'oponopono meditation. Link in the description. I love you. Thank you.